Hi guys, Jim the RV guy, Jim McClung with Midwest RV Center here in St. Louis again. You notice I got the jacket on. It's a little more chilly. Halloween is tomorrow, and man, this is my favorite time of year. This is a great time to go camping. A lot of pretty scenery, a lot of leaves falling, all that fun stuff. But heck, you didn't come here to, I guess, listen to me talk about that. You probably came to check out some more about the Keystone, Montana high country. So what's really nice, we've actually got a 377 FL packed with lots of neat stuff, and I'm going to show it to you now. Here's the front look of the Montana high country. It is a high profile fifth wheel. It's got nice storage up underneath here, so you can put a variety of things under here, maybe some tools or hoses. Right around to the side here, this is going to be a pass-through storage, so longer type stuff, is probably a good place to store it. We've got the upgraded steps that you're seeing on a lot of units. This has also got the auto leveling. It's a 6-point auto level, which is nice. And the storage is actually broken up. That was one on the side here. We've got another one around back. So good places to store stuff. And then you've got kind of a different take. You've got stairs on the opposite side. As you'll see in a little bit, those actually go straight through to the bathroom. So it makes people going in and out of your camper a lot less messy. So here we have all the water hookups. That's where you'll winterize and all that fun stuff. And here's the other side of the pass-through storage. So I'll step back here real quick, and this will give you just kind of a different glance on this side of the Montana High Country 377. As we go up the stairs, we're going to step here to the right. This is going to show you the front living setup. What's nice about this, you've got two sofas here, which are both tri-fold sofas. So you got two queen beds up in the front area here. Nice fireplace, and here's our good windows all throughout. And then you've got the theater seating as well. So you can really kind of entertain a lot of folks up here in the front. As we come down, we're going to enter the kitchen area. So you see the bar stools, which is a nice touch. Got a residential refrigerator, and that's next to a standard table and chair setup, which is really nice. So counter space is I guess an abundance in this trailer. And so we're going to go down the hall here. Here we'll check out the bathroom. So you've got, for the taller folks, you've got a bathroom that is just extremely high. The shower is a good fit. Got a residential toilet, and that's a porcelain toilet. The big difference with this, you've got a loft in the back here. So as we go up the loft, you're going to see there's plenty of room for people that want to go camping with you. So you've got, a setup up here that is kind of like a playroom, for lack of a better word. And then Montana really did a good job, because underneath the playroom is the master bedroom. So you've got the bed going east to west, which opens up that back storage there. It's a king bed, which is nice because most of them are queens out in the market today. And then as I kind of spin around here, you're going to notice additional storage and whatnot. So just to recap, I'm going to walk you through the trailer again, get this door out of our way, and gives you another view of how open it is throughout the kitchen, the dining room, and then onto the front living. Well, I want to thank you again for joining me today. Jim the RV guy. Spread the word. Leave me a like and comment and subscribe when you get a chance. That would be wonderful. But I'm off to another unit, and I'm going to see what else I can find that might excite you and tell you a little bit more about it. In the meantime, have a great rest of your Monday, and we will see you at the campsite. Bye-bye, everybody.